This is Commander Eckert. At 1400 hours, the Damocles has been attacked and boarded by forces unknown. They're going after the E-Shield system. We need to stop them at all costs. Viper team, as the closest air support, the Damocles shield is up. Your weapons will not penetrate it. The shield is powered by a shield emitter ship. Destroy it to disable the shield. Touch and drag on the screen to locate the shield emitter's ship. Viper 1, weapons are live. Good job, the shield is down. Viper 1, get clear. Viper 2, get ready. You've got incoming surface-to-air missiles. Tap on the missile to deploy countermeasures. Missile destroy. Viper 2, take out those choppers on the deck. Do not let them take off. Weapons are active. Open fire when ready. Good job, Viper. Bring her on home. Viper team will continue to fly the Thunderbird gunship and the low-level Super Raptor VTOLs. Both are powerful prototype ground attack aircraft with a wide variety. Viper 1, this is Damocles. Attack the enemy base and take out all required targets. Good hunting. One down. Target destroyed. Good shooting. That's a kill. Viper, good job on the assist.